Today I'd like to bring to you the ETSC 2 125 sander. This is a 5-inch low-profile brushless cordless sander on our 18-volt platform. Available one of two ways, without any batteries or with 2 of the 4 amp-hour batteries. This sander features an integrated LED ring on the front, so when you turn the sander on, it'll illuminate the surface before you. This illumination will help show any defects or imperfections in your surface, helping you get a better surface result. The LED is also able to be controlled by a push button on the top. There is a high and a low setting, and you can also switch it off if you'd like. There's also a variable speed control in the sander, allowing you to adapt to the surface you're sanding. This is a 5-inch sander. This is featuring our Jetstream dust extraction system, and it has an included dust bag. The dust bag is detachable, so you can use it with our CT dust extractors with a Festool hose. The dust bag itself is able to be opened and closed. You can open it up, dump out the contents, and you'll find inside it a really good seal. And when you put it back together, it's going to keep that dust from getting back onto the surface or back onto the sander. Underneath the sanding pad is a carbide tipped pad brake. This has helped control the spinning of the pad, so when you're approaching or leaving the surface, you have a better surface result there as well. Now this sander is with 4 amp-hour battery right now, but you can also run it with one of our 5 amp-hour batteries or even our largest 8 amp-hour battery without it getting in the way of the surface. The sander also includes a protector that attaches to the front of the sander, and the protector's job is to help protect the sanding pad as well as any abutting surface when you're sanding. This will help protect the pad and the surface. This sander also features a 3.5mm stroke. This provides a really great rate of stock removal while also providing us a good runtime on the battery. The lid of the sustainer has some great information available here. First is an invitation to use the Festool app. The Festool app allows you to connect to the sander with your smartphone, and you can do things like control the brightness of the LED, how long it stays on when you switch it off, and you can also find the last location at which you were connected to the sander. Also, you'll find some information about different types of pads that are available, the various abrasives that Festool offers, as well as how to manually control the LED. Last, there's also a little guide here on how to pack everything up in the sustainer to get it just in the right place so it's nice, neat, and organized and ready to go to the next job.